lover, and myself being a January birthday baby, I'm another year older as well. And I wanted to share with you all of the goodies that I got for my birthday and for Christmas and the holidays and yada yada yada. So these are not necessarily things that other people gave to me. They are also things that I gifted myself because I like to spoil myself on my birthday. And I mean, not so much on Christmas, but hey, you can't deny there are a lot of Christmas sales and I'm a sucker for a sale. So everything I'm going to be going over today is kind of a culmination of my holiday season, and I'm just going to include my birthday in the holiday season. So let's get started. First up, we got some Jimmy Choo shoes because this is one of the most comfortable brand of shoes you can get, and I just love them. So let's see what style I got. Let me open these all up. I'll just take off one just for the sake of time, but these are some super cute heels in the pewter color. They are a nice, comfortable 85 millimeter, and I don't know what makes them so comfortable. It could be the lower heel or the fact that there's not super tight straps here, but I love these. I tried these on in the store, and they were perfection as far as fit, being able to wear them for a long time, comfortable, and I love that color. It's a metallic color, but it's not quite gold, it's not quite silver. Being a kind of a pewter, middle-of-the-road neutral, I could wear that with pretty much anything. This would even be perfect for like a black outfit just because it is metallic. Metallics go with just about everything, and given the shade, yes, it is perfect. So I saw these and I was like, oh, those are gorgeous. Beautiful suede bottom. I did go with a 38.5 in these because they are true to size. So these are great. I can't wait for it to warm up a little bit and then I can start wearing these. Another pair of Jimmy Choos I got because Saks was having, it's like close to the end of their season. It's like the end of the season sale. And these were marked down to an amazing price. I will show you why. It's because I can't wear them for some time either. So these are some gorgeous sandals. I figured that these would be super comfortable. They were on final clearance, so I am hoping that they will fit really nicely. They are, again, a 38.5, but I thought those are really pretty, so I could dress those up or dress those down. If I wanted to go to a wedding and be on my feet all day or all night dancing, I won't have to worry about them becoming uncomfortable. I could also wear these around, like if I was going shopping during the day. These are perfect because, again, Jimmy Choos are super comfortable, and these are super cute and stylish with their little gems. Black suede. I just love it when the bottoms are like this nice suede. It just makes them feel so much more luxurious. And that is it for Jimmy Choos. Let's move on to some Louboutins because who doesn't love a good Louboutin in their life? Yes, I do, definitely. Heel taps. We'll just get in. And these here are the super comfortable Fifi pumps. These, again, are only in an 85 millimeter, so nice and comfy. Went with my true to size 38.5. Finesse around a toe makes them super duper comfortable, and the combination of suede. I love these mostly though because they are black, comfortable, and they will go with everything. And who doesn't love a good red bottom? Wait. Only in shoes, otherwise it just sounds weird. We're gonna take a break from shoes for a second and go into a clothing piece that I picked up. This is how they sent it to me. And it is a Burberry trench coat. This is in the midnight and it is the Chelsea style. Yes, I already have the tan or trench color. I could not decide originally between the midnight color and the trench color. I went with the trench color because it was more classic, but then I was still lusting over this one. So this is not black. This is midnight, which is kind of like a navy, like a super dark navy. So you can wear it with black, but I think the navy really gives a better pop or an oomph. Being the Chelsea style, if you didn't watch my other video, this one is super fitted in the bodice and the waist, and then kind of flares out a little bit in the hip region, I guess you could consider it. So it's very form-fitting up top and then gives you a little bit of extra space down below. Let me get this all undone and I can show you the inside. So the main reason to purchase a Burberry trench coat is wha-bam! Well, that's not the main reason. The main reason is for the functionality and the amazing water shedding capability, breathability, things like that. This is just kind of some icing on the cake because this is so pretty on the inside. Even the collar, if you want to pop the collar, it is going to also give you that beautiful plaid color. But this gabardine fabric is amazing, and I would highly recommend it if you were looking for a nice solid piece that is going to last you and stay in style for years and years. and one that is made of quality, has a really good function, because a lot of times fashion kind of outweighs function and things are not necessarily the most functional. Get a Burberry trench coat. They are a great investment and they'll never go out of style. You can use them for years and years to come. And then the last piece, again, it was another pair of shoes. I am most excited about these babies though. They are Gucci's, and who doesn't love a nice pair of Gucci shoes? I do. Okay, so we have little care booklets. We're gonna just chuck those down. And, oh, let me get into it. So they're the Jordan loafers, the super classic loafer that has been around forever. I actually did some research. These have been around since 1953, so just a wee bit older than myself, and they are still super stylish. These ones are called Blue Agata, but they are kind of like a light navy, like a bluish navy. So they, for some reason, they didn't have black, but I guess it's okay, because I even said in another video that I already have a pair of black dupes. I don't necessarily need the real thing in black. So I got these because this navy or this bluish color with the gold accents looks really good, like even with a pair of jeans. And I'm going to be mostly wearing these casually. And I love blue and blue. They kind of go together. So the blue of these shoes paired with blue denim, they just look really nice, really sleek, stylish, yet laid back at the same time. And I am always a sucker for comfortable luxury shoes. And these, the quality is impeccable. Like you can even see where the heels were nailed in. There's nails in the toe cap here. And it's just this nice leather sole. I've heard that these are not as thick as when they were originally produced, but it will also give a little bit more bendability and make them more comfortable to walk in. And then you could always get them resold if they happen to wear out. It's been a long time since I've actually completely worn a pair of shoes out, maybe because my collection has gotten a little bit larger. But I think these are a perfect addition to any shoe lover's collection, but they are also super stylish, functional, and really wearable. So even if you're just running to the store, throw these on. They're gonna go with pretty much any casual outfit. You could even dress them up, but I definitely plan to wear these in a more casual setting, and I can't wait to break these out. On the inside, it's just a brown interior, and it does say Gucci right here. They do have a bunch of colors in the other style. I'm blanking on what it's called. I'll leave it down below here, but that one is lambskin. That's the one where the heel kind of folds down. So I tried that one on. I wasn't a huge fan of the look with the heel folded down. If it was up, that's fine, but being lambskin, the other one's lambskin, they're going to get scratched up and wear is going to show a lot more easily on those. And I didn't want to worry about that. I wanted something that's a little bit more carefree. So this, I'm not sure what leather this is. It's probably calf skin or even just cow, I guess. But it is a little bit more durable than the lambskin. So that's why I went with these, and I think they will get a lot of use and last a long time. And that is everything that I have from my Christmas, birthday, holiday haul. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item is, or what are some items that you got for your holiday season. If you did like this video and you want to see more like it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, thanks for stopping by.